Well, thank you. Welcome to Baguti Pro and Yvonne channel. Yeah, you're most welcomed. Today I'm gonna tell you my life story.
Hi guys, my name is Keza Eliana and I study at King David Academy.
Hi guys, my name is Keza Kelia and I study at King David.
Amazina yanjye nitwa Ntege Sandrine nkaniga ku kigo cyitwa JS Nyarubuye.
Hi guys, my name is Calvin. I study at KDA King David Academy. As I live at Kanombe. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Ebenezer. I study at King David Royal Kids Academy.
Hi guys, my name is Manzi Kalim. I study at King David Academy Royal Kids International School.
Amazina yanjye Kishimwe Solange nkaba niga JS Nyarubuye.
Hello guys. Turi kuri channel ya Mbangutse Pro and Yvonne. Uyu munsi dufite abatumirwa beza cyane muri kubabona abana batoya bari kuzamuka. Wow, mbega abana beza. Ubu bagiye kuduha story yabo, batubwire imikino bakunda gukina. Bambwiye ukuntu bakunda n'abafana banjye muri make, n'abafana ba Mbangutse Pro and Yvonne. Rero twabatumiye uyu munsi kuri channel ya Mbangutse Pro and Yvonne. Rero bagiye kutubwira, bagiye kuduha story zabo, bagiye kutubwira ibintu bafasha ababyeyi muri nyine bari muri vacances, ibintu bafasha ababyeyi muri vacances, imirimo bakora n'abana bakunda gukora. Muraje mwiyumvire. Turabasuhuza mwese abari hirya no hino, inshuti zacu, abadukunda, abadukurikira, abatari bakora subscribe bayikore, mukore share na comment. Hanyuma murakoze, reka tugere mu kiganiro cyacu. Ubu ngubu tugiye kubahereza umuntu ugiye kuduha stories ziwe, Keza.
So today I'm going to talk about my holiday. My holiday went good, and so I'm going to say what I help my parents with. So I help my parents with mopping, cooking, and cleaning the house and laying the bed. Yeah, and the things I did this holiday, I went to visit my friends, I went to visit my families, I went out, and I also went to the concert of Ben and Chance, and I loved it so much. It was so good, and I enjoyed it. And the song I like from Ben and Chance is Yesu Arakora. Thank you so much.
Wow, Keza arakoze cyane. Tugiye ukuntu muri vacances ibintu ajya afasha mama wiwe. Atubwira ukuntu akunda Ben na Chance, atubwira indirimbo ya Ben na Chance akunda. Ngo akunda indirimbo ya Ben na Chance ivuga ngo Yesu arakora. Nukuri yarakora nubwo utarasubizwa. Murayizi kandi abantu bayikunda ni benshi, yabahoye imitima y'abantu. Ingumba zarabyaye kuri iyo ndirimbo. Keza tubwiye n'ukuntu muri vacances, kugira muri vacances imirimo yafasha mama wiwe. Atubwiye ko akunda koga, ajya muri piscine, akunda gufasha mama we imirimo yo mu rugo, gukora isuku, gutegurira ababyeyi breakfast. Tugeze kuri Keza. Bakeza ni babiri. Keza wundi nawe natubwira ikintu akunda gukora, ibintu akunda gufasha mama wiwe, imikino akunda gukina ku ishuri, imikino akunda gukina mu rugo. Atubwira na story yiwe. Keza, karibu.
I help my mom with carrying the kid, and also I help her clean the room. I also help her lay her bed, and like with some reach a time we talk, and I help her fix everything in the house. I clean the room, I clean the house, I clean everything, and I do everything like with her. I try to help her because I know she has a kid and it's not easy to do it. My favorite thing to do or sport at school or in the holidays is swimming, and I also love playing basketball. And my favorite singers are also Ben and Chance, and the song I love from them is Impano y'Ubuzima. Thank you.
Wow. Keza rero nawe atubwiye ukuntu ngo muri vacancy afasha mama wiwe gukora isuku mu cyumba cy'umwana, ategurira umwana imyenda mama wiwe, mu mukino akunda kujya koga. Ni umunyeshuri yiga King David. Tugeze rero ku wundi kuri Sandrine rero nawe atubwire stories ziwe, atubwire n'imikino akunda gukina, atubwire n'imirimo afasha ababyeyi muri vacancy.
Njyewe imirimo mfasha ababyeyi mufasha koza amasahani no gukoropa n'ibindi no guteka. Ibyo nkunda gukina, nkunda gukina nyine umupira uwo ari wo wese. Ku ishuri naho nkunda gukina umukino ari wo wese nawe.
Ni bande bantu ukunda? Tubwira abantu ukunda.
Nkunda Ben na Chance kubera ko baririmba neza cyane.
Watubwira indirimbo yabo imwe ukunda?
Indirimbo yabo nkunda Zaburi. Kosa
cyane Sandrine. Tugeze kuri Keve nawe rero ugiye kutubwira imikino ukunda gukina mu rugo, imikino ukina ku ishuri, utubwire ikintu ukunda kurya, ikintu ukunda kunywa, tubwire n'abantu bafite cano utubwire n'ikintu manza aranjijishije. Twari tugeze hariya kuri Keve agiye kutubwira imikino akunda gukina mu rugo, ku ishuri, ibiryo akunda kurya, icyo akunda kunywa, atubwire na stories zo mu buzima busanzwe, atubwire n'ikintu yafashije mama we muri vacancy. Keve.
Thank you. I'm going to tell you about my holiday. I helped my mom with the kid when he was doing other things, and when he tells me what to do, I do it. He told me to bring something, I do it. My favorite sport is football and swimming. At school, I like studying, and I like also swimming and playing football. I like eating chicken and fries. Yeah, and also my favorite singers are Ben and Chance. I like them. They sing well. They have a good voice. Like their song helps me. I like their song which goes like this. Igikombe cyanjye kirasesekaye. Yeah, thank you.
Wow. Kevin nawe ngo kuri Ben na Chance bakunda indirimbo ivuga ngo igikombe cyanjye kirasesekaye. Ni indirimbo nshyashya isohotse ubu ngubu yakunzwe n'abantu benshi. Murumva ko n'umwana muto cyane witwa Keve ngo ijye imufasha cyane. Ngo imikino akunda gukina, ngo akina football, ngo akunda koga. No mu rugo ngo akunda gufasha mama wiwe umwana. Bafite baby ukiri mutoya. Kako baby mwaramwishimiye. Nibyo Keve?
Yego.
Hajya baby yitwa iki?
Kendra.
Wow, afite izina ryiza. Aha, tugeze kuri Ebeneza, ufite izina ryiza.
Merci.
Niwo muntu wa mbere mbyumvanye, hari indirimbo yitwa Ebeneza. Wow, mama wawe afite izina ryiza na papa kweli. Ebeneza, sasa rero nawe ugiye kutubwira Ebeneza rero ugiye kutubwira ibintu akunda, imikino akunda gukina ku ishuri, akina mu rugo, imikino akunda kurya, umurimo afasha ababyeyi ubu bari muri vakanse. Ngaho karibu, hanyuma nawe aratubwira aba YouTubers akunda. Bambwiye ko ari abafana cyane baba YouTubers, niyo mpamvu nanjye nabatumiye kuri channel yanjye. Mwese ariko nabonye bibanze kuri Ben na Chance, ariko Ben na Chance barafunzwe bari bikomeye. Noneho abantu ukuntu bazi n'indirimbo zabo. Ebeneza, karibu, ngaho tubwire nawe.
Thank you. What I help my mom at home, I make the bed, I mop and cook some omelette. And my favorite sport is swimming and playing football. What I like doing at school is study and swimming. My favorite singers is Ben and Chance. My favorite song is Zaburi. Thank you.
Wow, ariko Zaburi ifite amanota bazi. Ebeneza rero nawe tubwiye ukuntu ngo muri vakansi ajya afasha mama yo gukora amasuku, ngakamutekera umureti. Ebeneza ukunda umureti cyane?
Yego.
Wow, nawe tubwiye ko ari umufana wa Ben na Chance, ngo indirimbo yabo akunda ngo ni Zaburi. Tugeze ku muhungu mwiza cyane wari yarahaga witwa Manzi. Manzi, nawe natubwire story zawe, utubwire ikintu ukunda. Gatuma abana bari kujyamo hano, ngo nimucare hano muri bamwe bano bombi. Umuhungu mwiza wariye cyane arahaga witwa Manzi. Manzi rero nawe agiye kutubwira ibintu akunda imikino akunda gukina, imirimo afasha mama wiwe, imikino akina ku ishuri, ubu bari muri vakanse. Manzi yanatubwiye ko Kevin yatubwiye ko ngo n'abashuti be bamusuye muri vakanse. Manzi, ngaho nawe tubwire n'abashuti bawe wasuye n'abagusuye. Karibu.
Thank you. Welcome. Well, thank you. Welcome to Baguti Pro and Yvonne channel. Yeah, you're most welcomed. Today I'm gonna tell you my life story. I like helping my mom with the baby. I help her laying the bed, mopping. I help her with cooking. When she told me to go buy something, I do it as how she told me. Yeah, in this holiday, I called out my friends to come and visit me. Yeah, I also went to visit them. Yeah, I went to the concert of Ben and Chance. It was fun and good. Yeah, my favorite singer is Ben and Chance. I like their song called Itegure Urahetse. Thank you.
Wow. Manzi atubwiye ko muri vakansi yafashije mama we umwana guterura umwana. Atubwiye ko inshuti ze zamusuye harimo Ebeneza na Keza. Atubwiye ko nawe akunda koga cyane. Atubwiye ko yiga nawe King David Academy. Murabona ko ari igisore cyahaze kabisa. Ushobora kuba agira na apeti. Keve, harya nicyo watubwiye ukunda kurya? Watubwiye ko ukunda kurya?
Nkunda kurya umuceri, ifiriti, n'inkoko.
Wow. Ukunda inkoko? manzi harya wowe ukunda kurya iki?
Nkunda kurya ubugari n'ibishyimbo.
Ngaho Ebeneza nawe atubwira ikintu akunda kurya no kunywa.
I like to drink Fanta and I like to eat burger. A burger. And I like to eat a burger.
Oh, ngo Ebeneza akunda kunywa Fanta
Na baga.
na baga. Murabona ko nawe asa neza, asa nabyo kweri. Igisore gisa neza. Ngaho muduhereze na Keza nawe atubwire ikintu akunda kurya no kunywa. Bana umukobwa usa neza.
nanjye nkunda baga na milkshake.
Mwabyumvise na Keza nawe ibintu akunda. Umuntu wese ari kuvuga ibintu ugahita ubona ko asa nabyo kweri. Ndabona Keza natubwire.
Yeah, nkunda pizza na lemonade.
Wow. Murabona ko nawe asa nabyo rwose. Muhereze nawe Sandrine.
Nge nkunda kurya firiti.
Wow. Ukakunda kunywa iki?
Fanta
Iyihe?
ya oranje.
Wow. Muhereze Soso. Soso ngaho nawe ugiye kutubwira imikino ukunda gukina muri vakanse ku ishuri, tubwire n'ikintu ufasha mama muri vakanse, tubwire na story yawe. Sawa. Umvuge ureba hano.
Ku ishuri nkunda gukina umupira w'amaguru, no muri vakansi nkunda kuwukina. Mu rugo mfasha mama akazi, guteka, gukubura, koza amasahani, gukoropa. Ikintu nkunda kurya umuceri n'ibishyimbo, nkanywa amata. Nkunda Belle na Chance. Indirimbo yabo nkunda nahuye n'umugenga w'ibihe.
Wow. Solange arakoze cyane, atubwiye ko muri vakansi afasha mama w'imirimo, amufasha guteka, amufasha gukora amasuku, ngo ikintu akunda kurya ifiriti. Ngo mu bahanzi akunda Belle na Chance. Indirimbo yatubwiye akunda
Ni igikombe
cyanjye kirasesekaye. Murakoze cyane. Mugiye rero mugiye kubwira abantu mubasezera, mugira ikintu kimwe mubabwira kuri chat, mugira ikintu kimwe
Okay, hano.
murakoze ufite stopingi. Mugiye kubwira abafana ba Manzi Pro and Yvonne mubabwira mubashimira mubasezera ikintu bagomba gukora kuri channel Manzi Pro and Yvonne.
Murakoze kuba mwadukurikiranye. Turasaba ko subscribinga, share, comment and like. mugatera inkunga channel. Turabakunda cyane. Dukunda na Ben na Chance, James and Daniela, Israel Mbonyi, Pastor Ngoga Christophe, also Vestine and Dorcas, n'abandi benshi bose turabasuhuza. Menye ko turi abafana banyu. Murakoze.
Wow.
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. So like, subscribe, share, like, and thank you for watching again. And shout out to all the singers. We love you so much, and we support, and we're your fans. Thank you so much.
Ah. Mwakoze cyane, mwakoze kudukurikira cyane. Murakoze cyane kudukurikira, turabakunda cyane kandi turabafana ba Ben na Chance n'abandi bose b'abahanzi, turabasaba gukora subscribe. Murakoze cyane.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. And also, we are fans of Ben and Chance, and also other singers. We love them so much. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this channel. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and like, and comment. Yeah, I'm a fan of Ben and Chance and every other singer. We love this channel so much. Thank you.
We really appreciate for your mercy of being patient to watch our interview. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And our fans are Ben and Chance, Alicia and Jermaine, Dorcas and Vestine, and more others. Thank you.
Turabakunda. Like, subscribe, and
Subscribe.
murakoze mujye mudukurikirana, turabakunda.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.